My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of cases. I'm a true nationwide expert. I have a huge Facebook following of professionals, have my own tax convention, and I am a national expert. No more infomercial on me. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. Learn about me. I've been in all the major news stations. So today, what I want to talk to you about is filing back tax returns and how critical it is for you to file before IRS comes out and after you and sends you letters. It's critical. I can't tell you how important this is. So let me explain it to you, and maybe this will help you understand how important that this is to do that. So when you don't file and you haven't filed for years, everyone thinks, well, maybe this nightmare is going to go away. But every year, it builds up and up and up. Well, at some point in time, first of all, IRS knows you haven't filed. Through Social Security records, any registrations you put in, whether you're on a corporate record, wherever your Social Security number appears, it goes into a database. So that database eventually winds up, even through other government agencies, it really winds up. IRS has it. They just haven't got to it. But guess what? It is going to come out one day. So you have a choice. You either file your returns or wait independently well before that. It's easy to do. Everyone's so, I better not file. What are they going to do? Well, there's more problems if you don't file than file. IRS will leave you alone if you file. If you don't file, you're waiting for that guillotine to fall down. A lot of people say, well, I don't have the records. How do I do that? I don't have the money. Well, if you don't have the money to have someone file, that's a problem. But maybe go ahead and ask some neighbor to help you with the returns. You only have to file the last 6 years. That's it. Policy statement P5-133. Only have to file the last 6 years, and that's it. But here's the problem. If you don't file and a revenue officer comes out, guess what? IRS is going to file the returns for you, and you're going to owe a boatload of money because they're not going to give you anything. You're going to file single, and they're going to make sure you pay the most, or they're going to bring you in the office and issue a 725B letter, and they're going to start going through all your crap. You don't want IRS having you come in the office, issue a federal summons, and start going through all your records. That's not a good day. It's just so much easier. I know there's fear. All my animals, come on, Sammy wants a treat. That's all. No, Sammy, you're not getting a treat. Anyway, Sammy knows to file. She files. Anyway, at the end of the day, you have to get these tax returns filed. So if with or without records, people that are good like us can reconstruct your tax return. It takes a little work, but we can do it. So don't worry. We can don't let fear stop you, because if you go to someone good, that person's now in between you and the IRS, and nothing's going to happen to you. And at the end of the day, you may have a payment agreement. You may be able to settle your debt, or maybe they're going to write your case off as uncollectible. But file before IRS gets to you. It's so important. Don't wait. I know you're thinking, God, do I pull the trigger? Yes, pull the trigger. I'm always available for you. Call me. Goodbye. Go subscriptions.